Hi everyone and welcome to $1 Million App Ideas. I'm Pietro Messineo, I'm an indie dev and I successfully exited some apps in the past. And that's why I feel comfortable today in giving you some suggestions or even some recommendations on how you can enlarge your app portfolio. And why not, maybe even make some millions out of it. So in this new format, I'm going to unveil 3 app ideas every week. And for each app, we're going to see what is the app about, the revenues of the last 3 months, how many downloads this app got, how complicated it is to make it, and last but not least, the potential selling price. So the app that we are going to analyze today is a very specific app. It's a poop app. It's an app that basically allows you to track your poop and see how many people around you or in the world are pooping at the same time. So the reason why I actually picked this application, first of all, because it's a very interesting idea. Second is not because the amount of money that it makes, because it makes very low or very shit amount of time, but, and as you can see from the chart, it's not even constant, it's going up and down, but the amount of downloads that this application is getting. So this app in the last 3 months got 128,000 downloads. And so let's see how does the trend look like. So as you can see, in the last few months, we got a higher trend, so more downloads. Does this actually means that people are pooping more because it's summer? I have no clue. And another very interesting thing is the amount of active users. So this application is being used by 67,000 people in the last 3 months as active users, which is very, very interesting. And as you can see, again, the trend is like going a bit up and more people are using it every day. So how complicated is to make such an application? Well, this app is not that much complicated, but not even easy. And we can discover very soon why. Because basically we will have to use some native APIs, for example, the map kit, in order to build the map, even though the app that we are taking in consideration use Google Maps, we can easily and simply build it with MapKit. And then, of course, we need our own VPS, where to host some endpoints, and where to store all the things into a MongoDB. And by all the things, I mean users registered because it's requested to have an account in the app, the location, let's say, the location checkout when you say that you just pooped, and also other information related to your poop quality. Yes, it's interesting, right? The reason why I picked this application is basically because this app is very interesting from the monetization point of view. So first of all, this is how it looks, the paywall screen, which is actually not a paywall screen, but it's the settings screen. And I don't even understand how it is possible that it's allowed by Apple, because here it's written additional features are paid. And so when you try to toggle on the poop sticker pack or the custom pin color, you are being popped up with the subscription, not subscription, but with the in-app purchase button. And so as you can see, there is only one in-app purchase price, which is $1.99 if you want to unlock the sticker pack or if you want to have a custom pin color. Which is very interesting because usually Apple tells you, you must clearly specify how much money you're going to charge the user. But here they do not have any paywall, they do not have anything, and they just immediately show you the purchase screen and that's it. So this application is having a lot of downloads, is not really monetizing much, but is being used by fairly a lot of people. But there is one thing that we are not taking in consideration. The advertisements. This application contains advertisements, and that's one of the reasons why you would like to pay for this app, for remove advertisements. Even though I did not see any advertisement, honestly, while I was using it. Maybe my location or maybe something else, or maybe they are just broken, I have no clue. So I think if you're able to make this application with a nicer UI, still freemium, I would say, or just with advertisements which are not gonna annoy the user while he's pooping, then I think it can be a good idea to build such an app. And so the question is always the same. Where can I get my first thousands of downloads? As always, you can cooperate with an Instagram influencer, YouTuber, TikToker, whatever. You can cold mailing some blogs. You can improve your SEO keywords so you can rank on top of the list. And if you have some budgets, just invest them in Apple search ads. The app that we analyzed today is called Poop Map, Pin and Track. So just give it a shot. As you can see, it is having a very good amount of ratings and also very much positive, even though the app looks pretty ugly, honestly. So that wraps up our app idea for this week. So I hope that this concept sparks inspiration for your upcoming app portfolio. Please note, as usual, that all of the data that you saw in this video related to download trends, revenue trends, should be considered as estimates, because they are coming from public data tools, which may not be accurate, even though I found out in the past few months that they are pretty much accurate. So as usual, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter, and why not, even subscribe to the Discord community. See you next video.